Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 6 to 12. General reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com. O kaya naman, mag-book kayo sa aking calendar. Link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, Sag, what's the energy for you this week, April 6 to 12 for Sagittarius? Overthinking, malala. Baka marami kayo masyadong iniisip or iisipin ngayong week na to. Minsan, ganun talaga, lalo na pag may major decision tayong gagawin o kaya naman merong gumugulo sa ating sitwasyon. Okay? So, iwas na lang muna sa pag-overthink. I-distract mo yung sarili mo. Kung talagang hindi maganda yung nagiging epekto niyan sa'yo, marami pang ibang paraan para ma-release mo yung pag-overthink mo. Do nothing daw, oh. Oo. Alam nyo, minsan kasi, pag nag-overthink tayo, pag maraming nangyayari sa paligid natin, 'di ba? Like, overwhelming. So, ito yung time mo for yourself to meditate and do nothing. Hindi mo kailangang mag-guilty na wala kang ginagawa. Kasi yung doing nothing is also doing something na you are meditating, releasing the negative energies around you. So, and centering yourself. Kasi mas magkakaroon ka dyan ng clarity. You have temperance or enlightenment. This is also your energy. And taking things in moderation. So, may mga times naman talaga na tayo ay mag-iisip ng mag-iisip kapag meron tayong kailangang solusyonan. Pero, kung ikaw ay parang na-overwhelm na sa sinasabi ng iba, opinion ng iba, impluwensya ng iba, yun yung tanggalin mo muna para mag-focus ka sa sarili mo muna. You have the strength, the courage to overcome whatever challenge nakakaharapin mo. You have the Six of Pentacles. This is about the help, tulong. Someone is going to help you, especially if this is about money, resources, or may kinalaman sa work, sa trabaho mo. So, ito na nga, yung Two of Swords, which is making that decision, saan ka mas mapapabuti, lalo na kung maraming options available sa'yo. Kasi, pag wala kang option, sabihin mo, ay, wala akong choice yun na lang. Pero kung maraming options sa'yo, mas lito, 'di ba? So use your instinct intuition. Two of Swords. This is tapping into your instinct intuition. Seven of Swords. Nako. Mag-ingat ka rin sa mga payo ng ibang tao sa'yo. Ito yung time na umiwas sa mga unsolicited advice. Kasi pwedeng yun yung lalong makagulo sa'yo. Lalo na kung may kinalaman to sa pera. So, kung hindi ka sigurado, wag mo muna siyang pagdesisyonan. Oo. You have the Nine of Cups. So, some of you, meron ditong happiness, contentment, meron kang satisfaction. And I think, yung satisfaction na yan, manggagaling sa decision mo. Na after mong i-overthink, tapos nag-release ka ng energies that are no longer serving you, nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, then, when you decide, you will be satisfied kasi mas guided ka. Diba? Mas guided ka ng moon. And the full moon is also about release. This is about culmination, ending of a cycle. So, some of you, makukuha nyo or ma-achieve nyo yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan nyo, trinabaho nyo, nung mga nakaraan. Especially nung the last 6 months. Oo. Mapapansin nyo yung mga projects nyo, mga sinimulan nyo, you will see the results this coming week, this week. Situation in the balance that require careful handling. Ayan. So, pag sa decision mo, hindi ka makapili, kalmahan mo lang, huwag ka muna mag-decide. Kasi careful handling yan, no? Some of you, this is regarding a relationship with a woman with a dark complexion or hair. So, pwedeng this is a romantic connection or partnership, business partnership, a two-faced friend. So, some of you Sagittarius, maaring meron kayong kaibigan na doble cara. Oo. So, pakiramdaman nyo kung sino yan. At iwasan nyo, no? Iwasan nyo na lang. Kung alam nyo naman na, kung nakasiguro ka na talaga itong taong to doble cara. Kasi mahirap pakisamahan yung ganyan. Hindi mo alam kung totoo ba yung kanyang intention sa'yo. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Bye!